Serbia stands out as one of the best options for Indian students aspiring to become doctors by studying MBBS in Europe at affordable fees. Serbia, a neighboring country to Hungary, Romania, and Bulgaria, has become a popular international destination for MBBS studies. Its combination of low semester fees and high-quality medical education makes it a favorable choice for Indian students looking to study abroad. One of Serbia's key cities, Nis, is home to University of Nis, a globally recognized medical university. In this guide, we will discuss the university's NMC guidelines, accreditation, course structure, tuition fee, living expenses, and career opportunities. One of the first concerns of Indian students studying abroad is whether the university follows NMC guidelines. At the University of Nis, you can practice as a doctor in India after completing your MBBS and passing the FMGE or NEXT exams. Remember that European MBBS programs typically include a 6-year course with an additional 1 year of internship, which must be completed to obtain an internship certificate. The University of Nis is accredited by international medical bodies such as WHO, ECFMG, and UKGMC. This ensures global recognition of its degree, opening opportunities to practice as a doctor in countries like the USA, Australia, Ireland, and other European nations with attractive salary packages. The university is also accredited by Serbia Ministry of Education, Science and Technology Development. The MBBS program at University of Nis spans 6 years. The first years focus on the preclinical subjects like anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. The next 3 years cover clinical subjects like surgery, internal medicine, and pediatrics. The final year emphasizes practical learning through clinical rotations, where students gain hands-on experience in real-life patient care under professional doctors. The university follows a semester-wise exam pattern. Since the syllabus is Schengen-based, graduates can pursue PG or practice as doctors in Schengen countries like Germany, Luxembourg, France, Sweden, and Netherlands. Before we go with the tuition fees details, let me remind you to subscribe our channel to get more updated education-related videos like this on your feed. Support us by liking our videos and commenting your doubts on this university. Tuition fees and living expenses. One of the biggest concerns of students is the cost of studying MBBS abroad. The University of Nis is known for its affordable fee structure with an annual tuition fees of 6,000 euros, approximately 5.4 lakhs. The fee can be paid into 2 semesters or 3 terms. In the case of accommodation, students can rent apartments in Nis for 150 to 200 euros per month. Food expenses typically range from 100 to 150 euros per month, with most international students preferring self-cooking as a cost-effective and healthy option. Serbia offers favorable weather conditions. In winter, the climate is mild with temperature rarely falling below zero, and summer from June to August temperature are comfortable. The academic year includes winter and summer semesters. After completing MBBS from the University of Nis, you can practice in Serbia or other Schengen countries. And also you can work as a doctor in Germany, Italy, Luxembourg, Sweden, and other European nations with thriving healthcare sectors. And also utilize the internationally recognized degree to pursue higher studies or practice in the USA, Australia, the UK, and other countries offering high pay scales. You can return to India and practice after passing FMGE or NEXT following the NMC guidelines. This is one of the Serbia's oldest and most vibrant cities. It's a hub for international students offering a friendly and student-supportive environment. With active Indian student communities, you can easily adapt to both the academic and social aspects of the life of the university. Most residents speak English, ensuring smooth day-to-day communication. Nis also has a low cost of living, allowing students to focus on their studies without financial stress. Many medical aspirants overlook Serbia while searching for affordable and quality MBBS option in Europe. Feedback from Indian students currently studying at the University of Nis highlights the university's ability to provide quality education at an affordable cost. If you dream of pursuing an MBBS in Europe, the University of Nis is an excellent option. To learn more about the admission process, register for a counseling session with Bill Button Education by contacting the number below.